Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace body mount bushings Ford F250 full guide. Start by lifting the truck safely and supporting the frame with jack stands, then remove trim or bed panels as needed. Organize bolts, nuts, and original bushings so you can match new parts easily. Inspect frame mounts for damage and clean mounting surfaces thoroughly. Keep a magnetic tray for fasteners to prevent loss and reduce frustration during reassembly. Lift and secure the body slightly to take weight off the mounts, then loosen and remove the body mount bolts and isolators carefully using penetrating oil if needed to free rusted hardware. Pull the old rubber bushings from their metal cups, clean the area, and inspect for frame distortion or rot that requires repair. Keep bolts in labeled bags for each mount position. Take photos to aid correct reassembly and avoid alignment mistakes later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future how-to guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh smelling cab after working on the truck. It pairs great with a clean repair. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new bushings and metal cups, then align the body and frame while supporting weight evenly on jack stands or a hoist. Insert bolts by hand first to ensure threads engage smoothly, then snug fasteners in a diagonal pattern to seat the mounts properly before final torque. Recheck alignment and torque after lowering the body onto the mounts. Test drive gently and retorque bolts after a short break-in period to ensure longevity and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.